Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your credit card applications with Wells Fargo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Wells Fargo homepage. Once there, locate the credit cards section in the main menu. Click on the credit cards link to see the available options. Scroll through the list of credit cards to find one that meets your needs. Click on the credit card you are interested in for more details. Review the card's benefits, fees, and interest rates carefully. When you are ready, click the Apply Now button. This will take you to the application form. Begin by entering your personal information, such as your name and address. Next, provide your social security number for identity verification. Fill in your employment details, including your income and job title. If applicable, add any co-applicants by entering their information. Review all the information to ensure it's accurate and complete. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to send your application. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Check your email for further updates regarding your application status. You may receive an immediate decision, or it could take a few days. If your application is approved, follow the instructions to set up your online account. If denied, review the reasons provided to help improve your credit in the future. Keep track of your credit card application status regularly for updates. Manage your new credit card responsibly to maintain a healthy credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.